Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, well, actually, today, uh, I'm gonna be working on the S2000 and the Mustang, and then hopefully I have enough time to put the new tires on the wheels for this Skyline. So what happened? For some reason, my brights on the S2000 decided to die on me. So I like even when you put your brights on, the little blue light in the dash, it wouldn't turn on. So I did some research and hopefully I already bought the part. It's the stock. So hopefully that fixes that. And then the Mustang on my way to work yesterday, it decided to die as well. Um, I put my SET, checked the code, and it had a code of P115E, which was saying the throttle body. That's the only code it was throwing. After further research, no one had the same issue as mine. He wouldn't start. And then I checked the fuel pressure. No fuel pressure. Like, damn. Okay. So when I got home, I checked since I have a fuel return system, I checked the fuses for the pumps, and they were both blown out. I'm not sure why. It has been really cold, so I'm probably thinking condensation got in there because once the engine gets hot, all the cold, it starts. Well, anyway, I'm gonna check that. I'm gonna diagnose it. Hopefully, that was the issue because the car has been sitting outside since I got this other Skyline. So poor Mustang has nowhere to sleep now. Well, outside, but yeah. So let's get to it. And I'm about to start getting my tool set up. The S2000 is here, ready to go. And yeah, let's get to it. So we got a new stock from Honda. Um, Hopefully this fixes the issue. I did research and a lot of on the S2K forums, a lot of issues, and a lot of people say it might be this. So that's what I'm hoping. And also got another they're the Hella 29K Extreme Yellow. I used to run Nokia, the 2500s, but I'm kind of wondering if it was this type of bulb that made my stock go out. So I'm not sure. Also, this is not a how to do it. I'm just gonna kind of do this real quick. Hopefully this is the issue because I have to get the car inspected this month. Today's the 3rd, and without my brights, I can't get it to pass inspection. So I need to get this done quick today so I can take it today to get it inspected. Um, yeah, I know I took a while to because I've been busy with work, so no time. So hopefully today we can get it fixed. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this cover off. Got my handy dandy Matco drill, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. So still, this is my first time doing this on the S2000. Um, so I had to undo two 12 mil nuts the bottom of the steering wheel so it can kind of hang a little, so be able to pull it. Not sure that's the right way to do it, but this is turning out to be a pain. It is what it is. All right, so it's out. So now I can remove this piece right here. And then there's two little screws in there. Let's see if we can get them. All right, so oh damn, I just dropped that screw. that's not good. Better turn the steering wheel. So annoying. All right, let's look for that screw. All right, guys, I think it's coming out. All I had to do was use this little screwdriver, kind of pull it out, and then seems like it came out okay. Just have to undo the harness. And it's out. I really don't have time to open it up and try to fix it, so I just bought a new one. All right, so, oh, yeah. So something was going on. I'm not sure if it was internally, but let me show you guys. Damn it. Hopefully, I'm not gonna have to rewire everything. All right, check that out, guys. So pretty much kind of completely burn everything out. So that's the smell I was getting. Something is going on with the lights. I'm gonna kind of clean it up, and hopefully it works just to pass inspection. And then I'm gonna have to get a whole new one of these, and then repin it, remove all the wires, and then hopefully I can get it fixed properly. But I just need to pass inspection for now, just as long as the brights work, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. So inside is done. I'm gonna put these. For some reason, it also blew both of my bulbs. So gonna remove this. And then let's get to the brights. Good thing I don't have to undo the whole bumper just to get to these headlights. All right, so you guys can see, pretty much burned it out. So I just hope it's not this type of lights that cause the problem, because I really don't want to buy just regular lights. I like the yellow, just because sometimes we get fog around here and they work perfect. Moment of truth. Battery is plugged up. Um, Hopefully I can get some brights. Nope. Oh, they do work. Yay. It works. So the stock was burned out. All right, so I'm not gonna mess with it too much. I'm gonna put everything back on, take it to pass inspection, and then I'm gonna work on the Mustang. All right, so, well, I couldn't get the S2000 inspect it because everything closes on Saturdays. That's one of the things that I hate about living in the middle of nowhere. It was closed, so found this small tire shop. Was able to get the tires done, but they went really big on how much they charged me. $175 to just change the tires. Yeah, I'm really upset, but I needed it done. Anyway, so here I got the fuses. Just gonna go ahead and switch out the fuses, and hopefully I get fuel pressure, and we'll go from there. So got the tires mounted, got it inspected. We're good to go. I just gotta go to DMV and get my tag today. And that's pretty much about it for this video on the Honda. I did want to go over a little bit. Kind of been busy with work, and so today is my 14th year anniversary. The first time I was wounded in Afghanistan. I know this is a veteran page. I haven't really talked much about my military career. I'm really just trying to forget about it. For a really long time, I was so lost. I was medically retired in 2013. I was really lost for a long time. I was pretty much losing myself. And just a few years ago, I kind of decided, it was like, I just pretty much had enough. And decided to push myself. And so far, I've been doing okay. Like today, the reason why I put new tires and rims on this is because it's my anniversary, so I kind of give myself a little booster up, try to get myself motivated to continue on doing what I'm doing. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions on my military career, or if you're a veteran and you're lost, add me on Instagram, find me on Instagram, and shoot me a message. I got your six. Don't hesitate. If you're lost, just hit me up. I've been through it. I've been retired for 14 years. Well, no, not 14 years. I've been retired for, it's gonna be 11 years this year that I've been retired. For about 6 years of all that time. Yeah, 6 years. I was so lost. I didn't know what to do with myself. Depression, my PTSD was literally beating me every day. But never quit. Just remember, never quit, brother. I got your back. You understand? You'll be okay. We'll be okay. Just hit me up, comment on here, or hit me up on Instagram. I think the links are on my page. If not, I'll post the links on Instagram or TikTok. But hit me up there, and then we can video chat, FaceTime, whatever. You're having issues, please hit me up. All right. 22 is probably more than 22 now a day, but 22 is way too much a day. All right. So that does conclude the video for today. I do appreciate you guys watching. If you're a subscriber and you are watching my video, I appreciate you guys. If you're a veteran, hit me up. Or if you're not a veteran, hit me up, ask me questions, or I could probably just make a separate video on some of my army stuff that I did. I was really just trying to forget about it and go about my day. And yeah, so like this shirt, Combat Wounded, I really don't wear it. I only wear it on my days off, around the house and stuff. But I, like, any indicators that I was in the military, I really don't. Not even at work. Like, when people find out I was in the military, they're like, "Wait, you were in the military?" Yeah, did some time, no big deal. But I just try to kind of like forget it, put it in the past, move forward. There's really no no point on dwelling on the past. It's, but I try to forget, but my body, my brain does not forget. Usually around this time, like I start getting depressed and stuff, and then I remember, like, damn, this is why I'm depressed, because the anniversary is coming up. So like, what was it, last week? I didn't, like, why am I fucking freaking depressed? And I kind of was like, oh damn, anniversary is coming up. So I bought the wheels. Yeah, just try to kind of cheer me up a little. I mean, there's other things you can do, but for me, I love cars. Cars make me happy. It is my lifestyle. Like, my whole life revolves around my cars. But yeah, so that will conclude the video for today. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share the video. I will try to make more content, but I've been busy with work. And my new schedule, I get 3 days off now, so it's pretty cool. I'll be able to hopefully make more videos on the Skylines, like this one right here. Well, they both need like little stuff to get them completely running perfectly. This one is fully built. This one's all original. But yeah, hopefully I can make some more videos on the Skylines. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time.